person will be coming from Assam to sell drugs at Hapoli town. So accordingly, team was constituted comprising of the OC of Police Station 0 along with women inspector of the Police Station 0, Women Police Station 0, and the police station staff which was led by our DSP Tasidaran. So when they saw the suspect, he was apprehended at Paralin, Hapoli town. Immediately the information was given to the executive magistrate, concerned executive magistrate. She also came and along with the police party and this apprehended individual, जिसका नाम है फैजुल हक. So they went to the residence of one Gopal Rai, who is also the co-accused in this NDPS case. So Gopal Rai के रेजिडेंस पर जो कि बना हुआ था हिल टॉप हपोली में, जब ये लोग वहाँ पहुँचे, so the door of the room was locked and the Gopal Rai handed over the keys to our team, raiding team. और जब हमने वहाँ का डोर खोला, so we found 3 pouches and 68 vials. So इन सब में मिला के around 142 grams of heroin have been seized by our raiding team. इसी के साथ साथ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इसमें हमारा जो ब्रेक थ्रू है वो ये भी है कि द ड्राइवर ऑफ द व्हीकल विच वॉज यूज्ड फॉर conveyance purpose, that is the Tata Sumo, he has also been arrested. So a total of 3 accused persons have been arrested in this case, resulting in the seizure of approx 142 grams of heroin, which I believe is a very good recovery, and I don't think that in this year such amount has been recovered in zero. Along with that, it is very important to mention that our lower Subansiri district is not that much affected with drugs as the case of other districts of Arunachal Pradesh, but still our district police, the entire force is committed and dedicated towards drug menace, and we will work hard, we will strive hard, and we will make a very big dent in the chain supply of the drugs. So with this, I end my points there.
सर, जिस तरह आपने जो कहा है कि जो ड्राइवर जो शोमू ड्राइवर है तो उसको भी अरेस्ट किया गया.
Yes.
और यहाँ का लोकल है ना बाहर का है वो?
His name is Zakir Hussain and he belongs to Assam. So he is not from Arunachal.
Okay. Then he is involving in cases also.
But pardon?
I know this the drug cases. वो involve है क्या उसमें? Directly, indirectly.
He was with the accused and his vehicle was used. He was very well aware of the fact that they are transporting drugs to Hapoli from Assam. So, as you know that mere ignorance of law cannot be taken as an excuse by the person. It's his responsibility that if he is coming along with the suspected persons with these contraband substances, had he been innocent, he would have informed the police, which he didn't do. So, he is equally accused in this case.
तो आप लोग को सोर्सेस कहाँ से मिला था सर?
That we cannot reveal. Yes.
तो सर ये एक सवाल है कि जो आपका पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट ने इसको अभी पकड़ा है तो उसको क्या डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से कुछ रिवार्ड उसको कुछ दिया जाए?
Definitely, it's an excellent work. I must congratulate my entire team. My entire team is here with me, and I'm very happy to share that our district administration has also lauded our efforts, and they have also announced a reward for us. Okay. So hopefully, I'll also reward my team at my level. District administration will also reward them, and I'll try my best that my senior officers, they also give us suitable reward so that our morale and motivation to do good work keeps high.
तो सर ऐसा देखा जाता है कि जितना भी आपका जो एक्सक्यूज होता है तो उन लोग को जल्द से जल्द बेल मिल जाता है, तो इस केसेस में किस तरह का इसका एक्ट लगाया गया सर?
Since the case has been registered in the appropriate sections of NDPS Act, and the IO of this case is OC himself, so we'll make sure that this case results into conviction first. Second, now onwards, every case we'll try our best that investigation is done in such a way that every case results into conviction of the accused.
So any more sir information?
बस मैं ज़ीरो के रेजिडेंट से, यहाँ के लोगों से, बीइंग एसपी ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट, यही मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो हमारा ज़ीरो का हेल्पलाइन नंबर है, एंटी ड्रग हेल्पलाइन नंबर, आप उसको यूज़ करिए, आप हमें सपोर्ट करिए, बिकॉज ये एक ऐसा वॉर है, इट्स अ वॉर ऑन ड्रग्स, इट्स नॉट अ लोकल इशू, इट्स नॉट अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिलेटेड इशू, I would say it's an international issue. The drug rackets operates at the international level, not at the district level. So अगर हमें citizens का support मिलेगा, वो हमें information देंगे. It's my assurance, it's my guarantee that their identity will be kept confidential. It will not be relieved at any cost. They will be suitably rewarded by me in person and without revealing their identity. And secondly, it will act as a force multiplier. क्योंकि जब सिटीजन्स पुलिस के साथ जुड़ जाते हैं तो जो आउटपुट होता है, जो रिजल्ट्स होता है, वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है। अकेले एक डिपार्टमेंट के करने से इसमें उतना बेहतर रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा। अगर लोग हमसे जुड़ेंगे, हमें आगे सोर्सेज के बारे में बताएंगे, सप्लायर्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे, बिकॉज वो ग्राउंड पर रह रहे हैं, दे आर लिविंग इन द एरियाज, और उनके बच्चे इससे अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, उनकी जनरेशन अफेक्ट हो रही है। सो हमें सपोर्ट करिए, कोऑपरेट करिए, help us in giving the information, and ensuring the safety and security of your life is our responsibility.
Sir,
That I can assure.
सर वन मोर क्वेश्चन। सर आपने पहले कहा था कि जो जिस एक्सक्यूज जो पकड़ा था हिल टॉप किसी का घर में, तो उसका हाउस ओनर को भी कुछ केस लगाया जा सकता है क्या?
उस हाउस ओनर को हम इसमें केस में नोटिस डेफिनेटली देंगे कि वेदर उसने टेनेंट वेरिफिकेशन प्रॉपरली कराया था कि नहीं कराया था, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ रेंटेड हाउस। सो जो लैंडलॉर्ड है उसकी जिम्मेदारी होती है टेनेंट वेरिफिकेशन कराना। अगर उसने नहीं कराया होगा तो ही विल ऑल्सो बी बुक्ड अंडर एप्रोप्रिएट सेक्शंस ऑफ द लॉ।